Kristal.AI Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Kristal.AI are in the description if you want to check it out. Kristal.AI is a hybrid robo-advisor designed for high-net-worth individuals and sophisticated investors looking for a personalized, AI-driven investment experience. Unlike traditional robo-advisors, Kristal.AI combines AI-based portfolio management with access to human advisors, making it ideal for those who want a mix of automation and expert guidance. The platform offers a range of investment options, including ETFs, hedge fund strategies, private equity, and alternative assets, catering to investors seeking more than just basic passive portfolios. One of Kristal.AI's standout features is its customized portfolio approach. The AI-driven system suggests investments based on your risk profile, financial goals, and market conditions, while premium users get access to dedicated wealth advisors for more tailored strategies. The platform also allows users to invest in individual ETFs, giving more control over asset selection compared to standard robo-advisors. Additionally, it supports multi-currency investments, making it an attractive option for global investors. Kristal.AI is best suited for experienced investors, accredited investors, and those looking for exposure to a diverse range of asset classes. The fee structure is competitive, with zero management fees for portfolios under $50,000, while premium users pay a fee starting at 0.3% annually. However, some advanced investment options come with additional costs. A potential downside is that Kristal.AI has a more complex user interface compared to simpler robo-advisors like Stashaway or Wealthfront. Also, its premium features and alternative asset access are geared toward higher net worth clients, making it less ideal for beginners looking for a basic, hands-off investing solution. Overall, Kristal.AI is a powerful robo-advisor for investors who want AI-driven portfolio management with a human advisory touch. Its diverse investment options and hybrid model make it stand out in the robo-advisor space. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. Let me know in the comments if you've used Kristal.AI and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing reviews.